Yes, family, a beautiful scenic ride by the dock here in Aswan, and that is where we are going to set sail. The Nile Hotel.
This Italian restaurant.
You can tell a country is serious in tourism when you see these kind of buses.
Yeah.
And there you go, family. The cruise ships are all docked there.
They serious.
And we're waiting for.
They're not moving. When the boat don't move, ain't no money being made.
Yeah, that's why they're gonna make sure they get on the road. That's the moving pick right there, across. On the other side.
What?
Okay, everybody, in 5 minutes we are stopped for our cruise boat. By the way, this is the one on the left. This is our boat here. We go in a cruise.
Which one?
You are only hold your personal luggage or the bag we have here, but the big bags we have in the storage. This is somebody carrying for us to the reception. When we go to inside the boat, we go to the bar to have a welcome drink, and everyone prepare his passport because we make a check-in by your passport. Okay, and after that we will have the key for your cabin, and we'll show you where the restaurant you have your lunch, and when you start the lunch and end. And 3 o'clock we have the tour to the Nubian village. Be ready at 3 p.m. in the reception to go together to the Nubian village.
Yes, family, so that's what we're doing, family. We are getting ourselves organized, and we're just right there. We're gonna be right there, just docked on the Nile. The River Nile. There's nothing but beautiful views around here, family. Exquisite, exceptional views. And then we come on through. So anytime you can have literally just a whole lot of ships here, family. A whole lot of ships here taking you from Aswan to Luxor. The journey of a lifetime continues, family. Yes. So family, the fun and excitement is about to begin. So we're gonna get ourselves organized and get our bags on our cruise ship, which is a little further down from here. It's not the one that we're looking at directly, but we're gonna get there and we're gonna enjoy the view, enjoy the vibes, and enjoy some great times. The journey of a lifetime continues.